supposed to quit if my family don't got it. Okay, how I'm supposed to win without taking no loss.
Alright, you guys, we are going to be changing Susie's oil. Yeah, we put her up on the ramps already, but we didn't think it was going to start raining this bad. As you guys can see, the ramps are a little bit outside of the garage and the freaking ground is soaked. So we're gonna push her back and hopefully be able to do the oil change on some drier concrete. But yeah, since we tuned Susie, we have to get higher viscosity oil or thicker oil. This is the oil that we're going with. There's too much controversy on what oil you should run, so just do your own research. This is what I'm gonna go with. If there's a better one, great. If this is the best one, great. Hopefully this should do the trick either way. Look at how dirty Susie got from the snow and the rain.
Say, I don't know if we can get away. Tesla slide, these drugs make you feel away. Stop, rewind.
All right, it stopped raining a little bit, so it shouldn't be as wet. That's good, that's what we wanted. And sorry if I look like a garden gnome, but hopefully, please, the hood doesn't hit the... Oh, barely made it. But yeah, easy. We're gonna let the engine cool down again because we did run it for about 3 to 5 minutes trying to get the stuff back on the ramps. But oil change, simple. Just gotta take off the engine cover. Easy. Engine cover off. Now that the engine cover is off, we're going to let this come out. We're gonna sit it like that, and then the next thing we're gonna want to do is we're gonna drain the oil, and then we're gonna go back right here. As you guys can see, that little octagon thing is the oil filter. We're also gonna change that. The oil changes, if you have a Supra and need to do an oil change, I highly recommend you do it yourself. It's gonna save you like $70 from going to the dealership, and it's super simple, super simple. Hopefully I don't find a way to fuck it up. The next thing you want to do when you change your oil is there's this tab right here, and if I can get some light counterclockwise, which way is that, left? It's low-key a pain in the ass to take this off. So yeah, you're gonna want to take it off like that. What the fuck happened to you? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm solid.
Oh, okay, just take it off.
It's all the fucking dirt that we ran over. So
oh yeah,
it shook the whole fucking plate. Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah, just put that somewhere safe. Now there's a 17 mil right there, and it's best to do this when the car is warm, not hot. So please don't do this while the car is boiling hot. You don't want to be under here. But yeah, we're gonna loosen that, then tighten it.
That's it.
Oh shit.
The fuck was that laugh?
Yeah, we're gonna loosen this, and then we're gonna make sure the pressure washer is taken out, and we're gonna put a new one in that comes with the oil filter.
Bro,
what the fuck is
water went in my eye.
Water? Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, come on, I need some flash.
My fault, bro. I can't see.
Alright, where the oil's already coming out.
Bro.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah. Bro, you got coolant in your oil?
This is an old ass oil pan. Ah! Oh, fuck! Bro, why did it go that way?
I don't know.
Why is it splashing everywhere? Bro, what do we do?
I don't know.
Bro, what do we do?
Oh my god.
Bro, seriously.
Bro, put it right there.
Bro, okay.
Put it as far, yeah, right there.
Bro, there's no way. There's no way, bro. Why is it splashing? Bro, now we gotta clean all this shit up. Fuck.
Fuck is weak.
There's no way it's spilling everywhere. But we got the bolt, at least. Yeah, don't ever let me and him work on your car.
Hey guys, he's lying. Bring your cars to Delaney's auto shop, located in Mexico, California.
Yeah, you feel me? $500 oil changes. We're only putting the best oil in, and we do it in 30 minutes.
And we'll put coolant in your oil so it runs better.
I record here so I
Bro,
can make
you're laying in oil.
Oh my god, I was laying in oil.
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me?
Bro, I just saw that right now. Now your whole head is full of oil.
Oh! There goes this fucking jacket. I might as well just lay back down in it. Is that the pressure washer? Or is that just oil? Do you see like a bronze circle like this?
I think this was oil.
I'm laying in oil, bro.
Yeah, you are.
There's no fucking way I'm laying in oil right now.
You dead ass.
Do you think this will come out in the washing machine? You're just recording the ceiling. Oh, I know why the pressure washer's not there. Because I didn't put one on last time. Woo, don't do what I do, kids. From the video I watched on how to do this, even though I already knew how to do it, but I just watched a video to make sure they knew how to do it. And they wanted us to tighten this down to 18 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm going to take...
Bro.
This is totally a torque wrench.
Stop hitting this shit.
Alright, and this should be 25 foot-pounds of torque. That's good enough. Alright, where's the plastic thing?
Why are you asking me, bro?
You took it off, you dick.
I took it off?
Yes.
Oh.
Fucking idiot. And then because I took this off, he didn't. I'm gonna put it back on. Yeah, I'm gonna...
No, it's okay. Take your time.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
It's a two-hand job.
No, it's not.
Yeah, see? Easy. 12 seconds at most. All right, so now that that's locked in and it's torqued down to spec, all right, how much oil do I got on me?
It's bad.
It's bad? You think I could wear this to work? Bro, I just ruined the hoodie. I mean, I never wear this hoodie, but all right, here's the oil.
And there's all the oil.
And there's the rest. Hey, at least it's brown and not black. So the oil was still good, but we're just changing it because we need a thicker oil in order to run the tune. Anybody knows how to clean oil really good and just completely clean it to the best of your ability, please comment down below. All right, so now after you put the oil rack under the stuff, you want to go ahead and grab you one of these. I think it's a 32 mil or something like that. 32, and you're gonna want to loosen it. It's gonna take a while. It takes a little bit of elbow grease, because I don't have all the extended clip tools and stuff. But if you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and keep supporting your boy by joining the TYB family, I might be able to afford some better tools one day.
Ew.
Why is there a skateboard here? Now, you just want to take it out. Just like that. This little rubber seal right here, you're going to want to replace this. You want to put the new O-ring on there like so. Hopefully I put it in the right gap. It's going to go in that little gap right there. Just like that. And you get some of the old oil, lube it up like that. I totally didn't just watch a tutorial on how to do this. Totally didn't. And then you're going to see you got your small side, got a bigger side. This side is the one that you screw in, and this side goes in. What side is this?
Got the small side.
Oh, okay. Well, see, it just clicks in. It just clicks in just like that, perfect. So yeah, you just grab the oil filter that you just changed, and you put it right back into the hole down here, and you tighten it. Huh?
Loosen it, then tighten it?
Yeah, we loosen it and then we tighten it. I got my torque wrench that I can afford right here.
just do this shit.
Bro, I don't know, bro. I just work here. Now we go ahead and we're good to put in the oil. Hopefully this don't fall. Hopefully I know how to pour this. How do you even open this shit?
You know the right way to pour it is like upside down, right? No, you fucking idiot. You twisted that part. Freaking dumbass.
Fuck. How do you open this shit?
I swear some people shouldn't have cars. Don't blow up your R33.
Hey, I'm getting R33, guys. Someday. Bro, it's like a Minute Maid. Putting in 7 liters of the good stuff. I should have had you do this, bro. My arm tired.
Bro, that shit's thick as fuck.
Damn. Ooh. I get fancy with it.
It's not how you're supposed to pour it, you dumbass.
How else do you pour shit?
I'll show you with the little ones.
Yeah, it's a lot easier with the little one.
Bro, that shit's thick.
That shit thick.
That's
Yeah.
the thickest one you could get?
I don't know. This is just what they recommended.
Oh. Think you gonna be faster?
It's probably gonna run a little better.
Oh.
Keep that engine healthy.
I guess. I mean, let me show you how you're supposed to do it.
Alright, well then show me.
So what you want to do, guys?
I need the flash.
Okay, then freaking start.
Alright, since you know everything.
Shit is not open.
Yeah, now what? Now who's the dumbass? You had to get an accessory to open it. I opened it bare hand, raw fingers.
Oh, where's the torque wrench? Loosening and tightening does work, guys. You don't want to pour like this, right? You want to pour it this way. That way, when you pour it this way, none of those. See that? See how?
Yeah, you're leaking oil in the engine.
Brush
Dick?
But did it explode?
I don't know yet.
Then you could turn it this way and run the rest of the oil.
Oh, you think you fancy?
I am.
All right, and pretty much just like that, we put the oil cap back on, put the engine cover back on, and the oil change is done. Now we're gonna give her a startup, let the oil circulate throughout the engine, and see if there's any leaks throughout the bottom. And obviously there's gonna be oil under the car because we spilled it like some idiots. Half of this shit is on my hood. How do we clean this?
We'll Google it.
Yeah. My boy swinging that shit. Yeah. Yeah, no. Oh, he's really swinging that motherfucker. Yeah. Hey, my boy out there getting active. I seen him. I was on my way taking Caleb home, and we seen the boys chilling up in Mexico. I had to pull up in the Infinity. I did a little donuts too, but the Infinity don't really like to spin like that. I can't figure out how to take traction all the way off, and she finna blow up. So hell yeah, that shit's dope, bro. Hell yeah.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bitch on a yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
My dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.